Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to stop text overwriting when typing in Word. To turn off auto delete while typing, you can do the following. I will show you two different methods. First one, the quick fix. Press the insert key on your keyboard. Try typing again. This should turn Overtype mode off. The second method, disable Overtype mode in Word settings. Click on the File tab, then go to Options. Select Advanced from the left panel, from Editing Options section. Uncheck the box. Use the Insert key to control Overtype mode. Uncheck the box. Use Overtype mode. Click OK to save changes. Now, the Overtype mode is permanently disabled. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.